Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VMware Cloud on AWS step by step clearly. To activate VMware Cloud on AWS, start by logging into your VMware Cloud Services account. Navigate to the VMware Cloud on AWS console. Click on Get Started to begin the activation process. Select the appropriate region for your VMware Cloud on AWS environment. Review the available options and choose the one that fits your requirements. Click Next to proceed to the configuration settings. Fill in the required fields for deployment, including your desired SDDC name and the number of hosts. Select the instance types for your hosts based on your workload needs. Choose a VPC for your SDDC and configure the subnets as necessary. Confirm or adjust the firewall settings according to your security requirements. Review the selected configuration details on the summary page. If everything looks correct, click Finish to initiate the deployment. Wait for the deployment process to complete. This may take several minutes. Once completed, navigate to your newly created SDDC to set up additional configurations. You can now connect your on-premises data center to your VMware Cloud on AWS. To do this, set up a VPN connection or AWS Direct Connect as preferred. Finally, validate the connection by testing the communication between your on-premises environment and VMware Cloud on AWS. With these steps, your VMware Cloud on AWS should be activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.